We do not have freewheeling hubs. Here we see the four-wheel drive transfer button that is situated in front of the gear shift. At the moment it's in two-wheel drive. I put my foot on the brake and in park or neutral, and then I can turn it to auto, which is also like all-wheel drive, then to 4 high, then I have to push it in and rotate it to the right to be in 4 low. This is the four-wheel drive system. Pathfinders Victoria. Like and subscribe. Now if we look at the dash, we can see at the moment that we've got the rear wheel drive in, two-wheel drive only. Now we have the front wheels and the back wheels in auto. In 4 high we see the transfer case come in, and then when I push in the dial and turn it to the right, we see 4 low flashing. This is a four-wheel drive system on most four-wheel drives. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.